Hello guys, today we're gonna draw. This is my first video on Maylee's vlog and
Apply sila ng apply.
my phone is a charge.
Firing sila ng firing tapos ganyan ginagawa.
That's just stickers. That'll be in the next video. Okay, come on, let's draw now. Before we draw, I'm gonna be a filter. So let's go. Okay, this is the filter. Okay, come on. Okay, let's go. The beauty colors are amazing, so let's go. Oh shit. Mommy, be quiet.
Okay. Tumboy ata yan to eh.
Karamihan mo niya, tumboy.
Yeah.
Invite ka kami, tumboy.
Okay, a perfect kiss. Circle.
Ay, di po kasi sayang ang serve. Dalawa na yung error nila. Yan ang leader nila, yung nag-serve ng error.
Just meet me. Sorry guys, I was just singing Apata.
Ay, lumusot.
Cool. Now, well, that was done. And now, time for the body. Oh, I forgot the whiskers.
Oh! Sorry.
Yan ang maganda. Sige, labi din.
I'm finished. Bye, guys. I'm almost finished. Okay.
Hindi ko po.
Sila, oh. Hindi ka pinagamit yan kasi magaling din mag-Pilipina eh. Gamit na yan pag lamang na malaki. Depensa yung pang laki
Okay.
lang. Pangarap.
Let's finish. So, do you like it? Do you like it? Bye, guys.